Hi viewers, myself Sagaraj. I am working as a .NET programmer at Spiro Solutions Private Limited. Let's go to our project. Project topic is effective verification system for user data. First of all, I would like to explain the abstract. In this paper, we focus on remote data integrity. Checking is a essential importance in cloud storage. Cloud is nothing but is a online storage. The clients verify whether their outsourced in data is kept intact with the downloading the whole data in multi-cloud storage. In some application scenarios, the clients have to store their data on multi-cloud storage. At the same time, the integrity checking protocol must be efficient in order to reduce the verifier cost. From 2 points, we propose a novel remote data integrity checking model, that is DPDP, that is identity based distributed probable data possession. In multi-cloud storage, the proposed DPDP protocol can have two modules in former systems. Security model are given compared to bilinear pair ligands. In concrete, IDDP protocol is designed. This is a relationship between existing and proposed system. We used existing system technique is a probable update PDP, that is a probable data possession protocol, and proposed protocol is IDDPDP, that is identity based distributed probable data possession protocol. And existing concept is here they are used PKI, that is a public key infrastructure. In proposed system, we used IDDPDP. There is some drawback in existing system, that's why we move on to the proposed system. What are the drawback in existing systems? The cloud storage computing verifier only have low computational capacity. PKI must of verifier cannot verify the heavy certificate verifications. This is a drawback, that's why we move on to the proposed system. Here, this is the advantage of proposed system. IDDPDP protocol, which is eliminate certificate management. IDDP protocol is high efficiency and also flexibility and verifications efficiency. Here there is two applications in proposed system. So multi-cloud users, that is more than one user can access the cloud storage. We are used IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. This technology here we are implemented here. Let's move on to the overall diagram, that is architecture diagram. And this architecture diagram consists of Container provide multiple cloud storage, that is a CS1, CS2 like up to CSN. CS1 nothing but is cloud storage. Here client won't get on public key to access the cloud storage data. Verify all the information with the database, database. Verify nothing but is like act as a admin. This is the architecture. Finally, what are software requirements for our project? Operating system Windows 7, front-end developed in Visual Studio 2010, coding language ASP.NET C# 4.0, backend is SQL Server 2008, hardware requirement is processor Pentium dual core 2.0 GHz and hard disk 40 GB, mouse Logitech, RAM 2 GB minimum and keyboard 110 key enhanced. Thank you for watching.